right. Look at this, guys. If y'all have been watching me for a very long time, ever since I started YouTube, look where we are at. We're at Timmons Place in Houston, Texas. Speaking of Houston, this is an original vintage Houston elevator. Oh, I love the relays. Oh, the cab has been redone since I last came here. The motor's been replaced. And now it stops. This elevator still lives on. Well, I guess that sign explains it all. So, the only thing that's been redone are the cabs and replace a new motor, but everything else is still original. Listen to the relay. No, you can't hear the relay. All right, listen to this motor. Here we go. So it still levels for a bit upon the doors opening, but the motor does not shut off till at least a few seconds later. Anyways, I'm so glad this elevator is still original. This is exactly like the one at the Vet Administration Building at Texas A&M University. The elevator is still original, but unfortunately the building is closed due to structural issues ever since the hurricane that happened last summer. I really hope that vintage 1965 Dover, including this elevator right here, does not get modernized, period. And there it is, Houston elevator. Yep, Houston elevator with EPCO flush line. Aside from the cab renovation, I remember correctly, when I came here back in 2012, the original motor was dying, so I can see why they replaced it. I'll go for one ride, listen to the relay. Nice. so glad this elevator is still original and alive. This elevator still lives on. Listen to that door mechanism. I'll let you listen to that door mechanism again. Nice. So apparently when the door stays closed, it keeps on buzzing. The relay keeps buzzing with the door shut, but when you press the button, the buzzer shuts off. This is interesting. I wonder why it does that. But anyways, that was a view. That was an updated ride on this elevator in 2024. This was one of the first elevators from back in 2012. If you watched my channel for a long time, this is one of the first elevator videos I filmed back in the early days. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that will be it.